Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to show you how to change your channel handle on YouTube. Take it away.
So this is a pretty simple one. The first step you're going to want to do is go over to your profile picture and click on the dedicated YouTube Studio button. Once you are in YouTube Studio, it gives you your channel ID right up here. What you're going to want to do here is quite simple. You're just going to want to click on customization and scroll down to handle. Now, a thing that you need to remember about handles is you can only change these twice every 14 days. The reason you can switch it twice is so you can switch it to something, realize you don't actually want it, and then switch it back. So right now I'm just going to switch this to just another one. I'm going to switch this to this, and I'm just going to click publish. And there we go. That's how you change your handle on YouTube. If you want more videos like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And bye!